Today I want to show you this new Ford F-150 Lobo. This one is a 2026 and this is argon blue metallic exterior color, which I think is really beautiful with these black 22-inch wheels. Powered by this Ford reliable 5-liter V8 engine, which is naturally aspirated, and this engine is paired with 10-speed automatic transmission. This produces 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, which I think is very impressive. But because this is the V8, which is naturally aspirated, you can tow up to 12,900 pounds when properly equipped, and with this you get a payload of 2,225 pounds, which I think is very impressive. And this one is already equipped with this sprayed in bed liner, which I think is really nice if you're buying one of these. Inside this Ford Lobo, you get this 12-inch central display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and also in front of the driver you get another 12-inch digital display gauge cluster. This one, because it's the Lobo, you get manual seats, which I don't really mind, and you get this cat skin leather seats, which are amazing seats. One thing I really love about this F-150 is how much space you get in the rear. You get a lot, and you get 2 USB-C charging ports. So what do you think about this Ford F-150 Lobo? This one is the 2026 and this is powered by a naturally aspirated 5-liter V8 engine that is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. If you don't want this V8, you can also get like the Power Boost V6, which is a twin turbocharged 3.5 liter V6, or you can get another one, which is the one that comes in the F-150 Raptor. But if you want the most power, you can get the 5.2 liter supercharged V8 that comes to the F-150 Raptor. But if you are in the market for a Ford F-150, I think this one is a great price. So please leave your comment in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, and share. I also want to say a big thank you to Ford of Kirkland for giving me the opportunity to come out and check out some of these amazing cars. We are going to be taking a quick look at this new Ford Bronco Raptor. This Bronco Raptor is one of the most off-road capable that you can buy here in the United States or anywhere in the world, and that is because this is equipped with this massive 17-inch wheel and these 37-inch tires. Because of these big tires and how wide this Ford Bronco Raptor is, this is equipped with this massive fender flares, which I think look amazing. And on the rear also you get this massive 17-inch wheel and these 37-inch tires. This Ford Bronco Raptor is powered by a twin turbocharged 3-liter V6 engine that is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This engine produces 418 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. Even though this is a high-performance off-road SUV, you can still tow up to 4,500 pounds, which I think is very impressive. One thing that I really like about this Ford Bronco Raptor is how simple the interior is. In front of the driver, you get this 12-inch central display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and this is equipped with Ford Sync 4 system. Another thing I must say is that I love physical buttons, and this is equipped with physical buttons, which I think is really impressive. This Ford Bronco Raptor is designed in a way that you can remove the roof, and this one has this permanent or the metal roof, which you can easily take off. Also, if you want, you can take off these doors for better off-roading, and if you want to enjoy your Ford Bronco Raptor during summer. This is equipped with Fox Live Vibe dampers, and this also have the Haas 4-inch suspension, which are some of the best in the off-road world. So what do you think about this new Ford Bronco Raptor? Please leave your comments in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, and share. And I also want to say a big thank you to Ford of Kirkland for giving me the opportunity to check out this amazing Ford Bronco Raptor.
When you have that and the GT here, no day, just chef's kiss. And I got
I am here at Redmond Town Center, and we are going to be taking a quick look at
Ford
this
Mustang GTD.
This Ford Mustang GTD is a limited production run for the high performance Ford Mustang. But this one thing that is amazing is that this is a full carbon fiber Ford Mustang GTD. So even if you find any other GTD, this is going to cost twice as much.